So that's how they got. Now the other way is that this whole revelation of the Siddhadeha is coming from Krishna. Krishna brought the Siddhadeha to these three personalities I mentioned. Even the elephant remembered a prayer from his previous life. He was a king, he offered prayers, he became an elephant, and from Krishna comes remembrance, knowledge, and forgetfulness. Sarvasya chahamriti sanivishta matasmritirgano pavanam sha. 15:15 Gita. So he says, oh, you were my devotee last life. You forgot me. Otherwise you wouldn't be an elephant. And you became elephant. But I didn't forget you. And now, at the last minute, you're crying, you're looking at your wife on the shore. You're looking at your Padmini. Padmini means lotus and also means female elephant. You're looking at your Padmini and you're looking at your little butchas. Oh, help me, help me. And the crocodile is eating you in the water and going to take you and eat you and kill you. So you're about to die. So they're not going to help you. So I'll give you a memory. I'll help you remember a prayer. So the elephant started remembering that prayer. So with his trunk, they have this trunk. They call it trunk or whatever you call it. He picked a lotus flower because he's in a lake, He was in a lake. Picked a lotus flower and he held it to Narayan. Because in his last life he would offer lotus flowers. So he has sanskara. Ganta and pushpa. So now sanskaras are there, chitta is there. All the software is there, but the body is different. Now elephant. And now my nose is not like this, it's like this. And I had hands in my last life. So now this nose is my hand. So with my hand of my nose of my hand of my nose, I pick a flower. Exactly like last life. And then Krishna, because Krishna gave him the memory of that prayer, Vishnu. So then in his mind, his elephant's mind, he remembered that prayer. And he died. And then Narayan brought, it says in 8th canto, he brought his spiritual body and gave him a spiritual body. So these three stories from the Bhagavatam, even an elephant can get Siddhadeha without Siddha Pranali. The conclusion is even an elephant can receive his spiritual body without Siddha Pranali, which is the opposite of what was being argued by your teacher. And I'm basing my argument on Bhagavatam. So I think my argument's strong. That's two ways. And there's a third way.
But first one is Ajamil, Narad Muni and Gajendra.
Narada Muni is the first one. First canto, chapter 6, verse 29. Second one is Ajamil, and then Gajendra. So the second point I made is that the Siddhadeha is given by Krishna. It's given directly by Krishna at the time of death. I gave you 3 examples. It's given by Krishna at the time of life, when you're living, by Guru. Guru is Sakshat Hari. There's no difference. So Krishna sanctions and arranges for Guru to reveal your pranali. So Krishna, ultimately, although we say, oh, Guru gave me this, no, it's coming from Krishna. Because Guru is Krishna Sakshat. So then Krishna is giving through Guru. Now, third way. Krishna will give through his holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare. So 3 ways one gets Siddha Pranali, all 3 are by Krishna. So if you want to get Krishna's mercy this way, you do good bhajan, you do Vaidhi sadhana like Narada Muni, attain prema, you get your Siddhadeha in Vaikuntha form. You attain prema in a sadhana, his bhava symptoms of ecstasy are described in the first canto of Bhagavatam. So it's very clear that he was highly elevated before he got that one only darshan of Narayan. He was on a level of bhav. So when he had darshan and his bhav became prem, and he collapsed, he was already in bhav and had symptoms of ecstasy, trembling. Then after that. So Narayan doesn't just stop and say hi to anybody. There has to be some adhikar, some qualification. So this is, now the third way is a holy name. Holy name is Krishna. Now, how can someone say, how is it possible? Someone's chanting Hare Krishna for 40 years. the person you're speaking of, or more, how can they say that you can only get this way? Krishna's telling, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is telling himself, Nam Namakari Bahuda Nija Sarva Shaktis. Nam Namakari Nija Sarva Shaktis. What does that mean? 1 minute. It means all my powers in my holy name. Oh Krishna, Hare Krishna, please reveal my Siddhadeha. Please, I want to serve Radharani. I want to be your gopi. I want to serve you through Radharani and serve both of you together. Please reveal to me, oh Krishna, Krishna. So, Krishna's holy name will reveal your Siddhadeha. The only thing is 2 things required. Faith. 3 things. Faith, shelter in Guru. You received holy name with blessings in Guru. Shelter in Guru. Faith. And I forgot the third one. Third one was
Desire?
oh, no, without aparadhs. No aparadhs. So these are 3 ways by which I think this covers everything. Because included when that Krishna is giving through the holy name, because in Vedanta Sutra, there's one verse there, which I have in my notes, the number and everything, because this was told to me by 2 different gurus. One guru, my Shiksha guru, I confirmed my Diksha guru.